Superhumans make for a great storyline in the movies. But what if I told you that it's actually possible to create a superhuman? Would you want to become a super you? Technology is now available to push human ability beyond what we previously thought was possible. We now know that it's possible to temporarily make somebody 20% stronger after just 10 minutes of treatment. With properly tuned therapeutic vibration, we've been able to see people double their strength who have been living with neuropathy and balance impairments. Imagine tripling your strength in just 90 days from a single treatment a week. That's pretty incredible. It's like something straight out of a book. With greater strength comes increased physical confidence, reducing your risk of falling. Users state that they feel more empowered to do additional physical activity after treatment. Our series of good vibrations could turn the dial on dysmobility, thereby reducing the risk of suffering a fall. I've now told you about increasing your quality of life through boosting your strength. Join me next week and I'll share with you how improving your range of motion and decreasing your pain can help you reduce the risk of suffering a fall.